Okay. You're not focusing on what you're doing there. There you go. You're still playing with your hands. I'm not hearing any more tooting. That's some good effort there. Yeah. Oh yes, I'm filming this. Are you going to make any more pooter noises? You're doing a great job. Yeah. You know you've already pooped twice today, right? You going to keep working at it? I'll take that as a yes. She still keeps checking on me in between every squeeze.
Are you pooping? Or are you just making noises?
We can't tell. I think she's giving out the effort each time whether or not she needs to poop, and that's why we hear the farting. Yeah. Oh, you're gargling your whatever now.
Hello.
Hi, beautiful mommy. Oh, you're all showered and your hair's up. What are you worried about? You look gorgeous. How do you not think you look gorgeous? Look at you.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
This is a happy dance.
Yay, the wiggle dance. Are you doing the wiggles?
There's her little dimples developing. All right, this is a pretty long video already, so I'm going to stop now, but thanks for the entertainment. What's that? It's a phone.